Hello there, I'm John McLauchlan and welcome to my home office here in Lincolnshire in the UK. It's the 16th of September and it's just gone 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and what I want to do is talk to you about a review. I'm going to give you a review on something I looked at back in March of this year called My Lead Gen Secret. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a My Lead Gen Secret review and go over it and give you my pointers of why I wasn't interested in March, but now I'm fully behind it. Let's get started. So My Lead Gen Secret is a platform where you can get 100 leads a day, every single day for $30 a month. So that's 700 leads a week, and that's 3,000 leads a month. So where else on the internet can you get 3,000 leads a month, every single month for $30 a month? Now, initially when I looked at this is why I didn't really look at it. I was a little bit skeptical as to the quality of the leads. Would the leads convert? And if, I was thinking I'd be in all sorts of problems with bounce rates and can spam problems. So that's really why initially I wasn't interested. I've been following the people, I've been following the person that showed me initially, and I've seen him go on to do very well. And that's why I've come on board with it now. So it's the 16th of September, and if you look at this screen here, I first got involved in it on the 9th of September, so I've only been in just over a week, sort of 8 days. So at the moment what I've done, I've accumulated 100 leads a day, so I've got 800 leads in my back office. This is the My Lead Gen Secret back office here. Now the first thing I was kind of worried about or concerned about was the quality of the leads. Because for the money, I mean, if you think about solo ads, if you want 500 solo ads, it's going to cost you about $500, and they might over deliver by about 50. But to sustain $500 a month for 500 leads is a lot of money, and you know very well that with solo ads, the analogy can be you can put your bucket in the sea, and you pick it up and it will be full of fish. So you put 20 buckets in the sea and they all come back up and they're all empty, because solo ads is very much a numbers game. When it comes to traffic sources, Facebook is fantastic, but it's complicated. Okay, so something like this is dead simple, but what about the quality of the leads? Let's take a look at that now. So if I go on to the 9th, the first set of leads I got, let me just drag this now, so I'll leave it there. Okay, so now as soon as I signed up, as soon as I hit the process button, I got these leads. So what it gives you the date. It gives you the date when they signed up. Now, this is the 9th. They signed up on the 9th. I got the leads on the 9th, so the fresh leads. The leads are also the permission-based. So they're people interested in business opportunities. Can I have a look, please? And they're co-registration leads. So again, it comes down to the question, are they responsive? We're going to come to that in a sec. Date they signed up, okay, you've got the first name and last name, you've got the email address, the IP address, you've got the city and the state from where they signed up, the postcode, the country, and also the partner where they came from, where those leads actually came from. So the first thing to note there is that if you look at this column here, you've got United States, Canada, United States, one from the UK, okay, the United States, and this tells me they're all tier 1 leads. Okay, so first of all, this is a really good thing, because I've seen a lot of these things before where they're sending, subscribers from Egypt and all over the place, completely useless, really, just a waste of time. So that's the first thing, tier 1 leads, so that's good. So what I can do in this particular system is that this system will mail all those leads for me. Now those leads are mine. And I can download those leads if I want to. I can upload them to my own servers and do what I want with them, okay? But they're my leads. So the actual system, the back office of My Lead Gen Secret, also gives you the facility to mail those leads out. So let's just take a look at that. So within here, these are all the leads that I've got, and I can either click on the first set of leads I've got. So if I've got a certain autoresponder series that resonates with people that I first met, then I can do that. Or I can just email the whole lot at the same time. It's up to you. And again, this is really simple. You can either put some saved emails if you've got them. The actual system gives you emails that you can send out as well. Or you can just do your own email. You can put whatever subject line you want in there. You can personalize it, the same as most autoresponders. With the email system, it's as good as it gets, to be quite honest with you. You can put links in, you can put images in, you can put quotations in, you can put your own source code in. It's pretty much as flexible as you want it to be. Now there's a little check mark here, perfect timing. When is the best time to send out an email? Is it in the morning when people are getting ready for work? Is it like tea break? Is it in the evening, or is it 7 o'clock in the evening? When is the best time? So if you click perfect timing, the system will send out emails for them to be the most responsive. Okay, so let's talk about that. So how responsive are these leads? Well, let me just show you in the back office first. So if you look at stats, so the first lot of leads I got on the 9th, okay, I had 41 opens out of 100, which is a 41% open rate, which is pretty decent. If you got a solo ads and you got a 41%, you'd be happy. You'd be putting those little comments on Facebook saying thanks very much. Okay, and I've got a 14 clicks, which is 14% click-through rate, which is pretty decent. And as you can see here, as the next day and the next day and the next day, okay, and you've got all the stats in here. So again, 60 opens for 200 people, 36 opens for 300 people, 42, 63, and so and again, this system allows you to really test everything. You can't test too much with your own autoresponder. With this, you can really test headlines, you can see what works, and really hone your skills of email marketing. So what I've been doing with this is I've been sending people to my own offers. So I've been sending people to my own website and my own sales funnels to see what would happen. So let me just show you that. What has happened. This is from this morning, okay, and you can see the notifications from my autoresponder, people signing up. There's a few more there as well, as you can see. But one of the most exciting things I've seen is the affiliate section in the back office of My Lead Gen Secret. So if you click on the affiliate side, what you've got there, you've got a My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program where you can get commissions for promoting the system. Now just think about that for a minute. You're getting 100 leads a day from My Lead Gen Secret. You then promoting the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program, and you're getting paid commissions because the My Lead Gen Secret has a compensation plan. So you're getting leads in, you promote the system, people go on and make sales, and then so you've got this constant flow of leads in, offers, and sales all the way through. So what you've got a perpetual money machine. You've got a perpetual cash machine that works. And what I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to show you some testimonials from people who have been promoting the system. Bear in mind, I've been promoting my own sales funnels and getting some leads from there, but they've been promoting the My Lead Gen Secret system and getting really good results with it. So in here, if you look at the compensation plan, they actually pay to five levels deep, but they also pay recurring monthly commissions. So let's just take a look at some of those people. So here you can see people making sales every single day, and one of the things I want to talk about next is the Facebook group, because that will blow you away. But let me just show you this. So you've got William here, said look, he's made his first sale today from the My Lead Gen Secret leads. So again, he's got a lead in from My Lead Gen Secrets. They've then gone on to buy the product, and it's generated him cash. So you've got that flow of money. Carl here, okay, so thought I'll just look at my back office, just got my 4th sale to their system from their system and leads from an email I sent 3 days ago. So there you go, there's some more proof. Again, Gary, first sale and an upsell. Made my first sale today. You've got Dan here, 6-week update, okay, $210 in recurring monthly commissions. Fantastic, from 6,700 leads. Ed, okay, he said he was a bit sceptical. Yeah, I know how you feel, mate. That's what I was like back in March. I could have been making some decent commissions from that. About the mailer, I've been mailing for 17 days with the internal mailer. He's promoted a ClickBank offer and one Warrior Plus offer. And so we've got 0 clicks. Right now, Warrior Form, I've got 16 clicks, 1 sale and 1 upsell. I've only sent traffic to these offers from. So again, he's sending people to ClickBank, he's sending people to the Warrior offers, and he's got a sale from that. Okay, so just think about that. What's his outlay been? His outlay has been $30 a month, and he's got he's got sales. With Dan here, $30 a month, and he's got $210 in recurring commissions. I've never heard of anything like this before. I'll tell you right now. So there's Jeremy. Jeremy's back office. This is his My Lead Gen Secrets back office. He's had 2 sales from there. Boom, he says. Just got my first MLGS sale from the mailer. And again, perpetual money. Using their swipes. So he didn't even use his own words. He just borrowed it from My Lead Gen Secrets. He's only got 1,200 leads. This is the 4th email he sent with their mailer. Fantastic. Okay, just a couple more because they're all, all very similar. People using the system to generate cash and leads. 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks and then $428 just by sending an email. And how long does it take an email? It takes you 10 minutes. Every day I log into this back office here. So I go to mailing system. I select all my leads. I'll write an email, okay? I'll do it in the usual way. I'll click, perfect timing, hit send, done. That's it. And that's how long it takes, 10, 15 minutes. If you want to research a little bit more in the emails, then maybe a little bit longer, but no longer than about half an hour. Now, one thing you'll notice from all these testimonials is that they're coming from Facebook, and that's because we've got an amazing Facebook group that's there to help and support everyone. So if you're fairly interested in what I've got to say so far, then the part about the Facebook group really is going to blow you away. Not only have we got help and support from marketing professionals who, I've been in the industry for over 12 years. We've got people who have been in for much longer who have got really good success with My Lead Gen Secret. But the thing is, we're getting leads in on a daily, monthly basis, and we have an exchange partnership where we all upload our leads together. The leads then get all put together in a database, they get cleaned, the duplicates get removed, and they get sent back to us. And this week I've received my collection of leads from the group. Okay, 228,000 clean opportunity seeker leads, people with a hand up saying, I'm ready to do business, I'm interested in what you've got, please show me what you've got. Just think about that for a minute. 228,000 leads. Now obviously you can't just go and send 228,000 leads. There is a process to go through, and the process is very easy and step by step of how you can legally and professionally send those leads out in an orderly fashion through your own hosted autoresponder. You can do it very simple, okay, and everything is there step by step to show you exactly how to do it. So number one, you're going to get 100 leads a day. Number two, you're going to be able to promote the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program, or send people to any offer that you want. Okay, now just think about that for a minute. You really have got that perpetual cycle of being able to scale things up. So this is why I'm so enthusiastic about My Lead Gen Secrets right now, is because it's working, and it's because it's working for ordinary people who before probably didn't have a lot of success with anything online, tried the solo ads, tried the Facebook ads, tried all that stuff. Now they're using My Lead Gen Secrets and getting big results with it. Okay, so if it sounds like something that you're interested in, then what I've done, I've put a little video together just to show you a little bit more, and we go into the back office in a bit more detail just to show you and see what you think about it. But what I did back in March, I'm not interested, it looks a bit too good to be true, too skeptical. Don't do that, because I'll tell you right now, I've missed out and I don't want you to miss out. So click the link, have a look at the video, and if you've got any questions, just email me or send me a message on Facebook, and I'm quite happy to respond and have a chat with you. Okay, I'm John McLauchlan. This has been a MyLeadGen Secret Review, and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.